CLAT 2021 postponed again. What next? Let's discuss. Yeah, guys, welcome to Loggery. I hope you're subscribed to Loggery's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. We do pretty motivational stuff out there if you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Loggery, then do follow us on Instagram. Let's read the notification first. The CLAT 2021 scheduled to be held on 13 June 2021 stands postponed. Now, date of the test will be notified in due course. So we do not have any date, but we know that 13 June को हमारा exam नहीं हो रहा है CLAT का. CLAT is not going to take place on 13th June. Now, the submission of online application has been extended to 15th June 2021. So we know that 15 June 2021 के बाद ही कभी एग्जाम होगा, right? So आज 15th May है, today is 15th May. Till 15 June 2021 you have got time, so you have approximately 1 month, and we can assume that CLAT is going to give us at least 15 to 20 days before the exam is declared, right? One, don't stop reading the newspaper, guys. You have to read the newspaper. The CLAT exam took place on 28 September 2020 in 2020. The things were same as they are now. 2021 के अंदर भी जैसा हो रहा है वैसे 2020 में हुआ था. The exam was getting postponed again and again. And if we have a look at the passages, the questions that were there and the passages, we see 15th August 2020, 2nd September 2020, 11th June 2020, 14th August 2020, 17th September 2020, August. The exam was to take place in June, May, June as usual, but even in 2020, but because of COVID, it got postponed. It kept on getting postponed, and finally it happened on 28th September 2020, and we can see that the news was there from August, September. Rather, the maximum number of articles were there from August and September. So I hope you understand why I am telling you to read the newspaper. Read the newspaper, guys. Read the newspaper. It is very, very important. Don't stop reading the Hindu or the Indian Express. Don't stop making notes if you are making notes. The whatever way you are covering your current affairs, don't stop, right? Please don't stop. And if you are preparing from zero, if you have decided right now that you want to prepare, then remember that news that from May till your exam takes place, probably whenever the exam takes place in July, August, whenever, the news from the recent news is going to be more important if we take into consideration the 2020 CLAT exams. So don't stop reading the newspaper. Number two, continue your preparation, guys. Do not give up. I know it is really difficult that you don't know the date of the exam. It is getting postponed again and again, but it is for our betterment. The pandemic, the virus is so bad that we cannot risk our lives, but we also have to take admission. We have to focus on our goals. Focus on our goals. Remember, you all have promised me that you have to get into good universities, and if we have to get into good universities, we have to give this exam properly, and we have to continue our preparation. If you are on stage 1, by stage 1 I mean that your syllabus is not yet completed. आपका syllabus अभी तक complete नहीं हुआ है, तो you are getting time. You almost have 1.5 months. That is almost 45 days. You have 45 days more to prepare for CLAT. If you have not completed the syllabus yet, please complete the syllabus. I am getting messages wherein you guys are saying we are just done with 2 subjects and we are attempting mocks. No, at least when you are done with 3 to 4 subjects minimum, then go for mocks. First you need to complete at least 3 to 4 subjects, then you can attempt mocks. Do not attempt mocks first. It is of no use. You need to complete the syllabus. That should be your aim, right? If you are done with your syllabus and your syllabus is completed, that is you are on stage 2, then make schedule for revision. You need to revise again and again so that you do not forget things. Revise your current affairs, revise everything, right? Subjects need to be revised. You need to have revision cycle schedule. Please plan your revision cycles. Every subject try to revise at least 1 time the entire syllabus, or 1 to 2 times should be your aim to complete the syllabus. And if you're done with your syllabus, then obviously attempt mocks plus revision. When you give your mocks, please analyze them, have a look which is the topic that is going wrong. Am I going good at this topic or not? If how can I be good at this topic? Please, I've done a video, I've done 2 videos rather, wherein I'm talking about how to analyze mocks. Please analyze your mocks. If you are not analyzing your mocks, it's of no use to give mocks. It's of no use. You need to analyze your mocks, then only it is going to be helpful, right? If you are a person who had just completed 70% of the syllabus and you had started giving mocks, this is the time that you can pick up at least 1 to 2 topics, new topics, and cover them, right? So if there are topics that you have left because you were not having time earlier, you can complete them now. Don't get burnt out, guys. I know it is difficult, that you are just studying and studying and studying. Just make sure that you work on your mental health. For working on your mental health, read motivational quotes every day on Instagram. On Loggery's Instagram, I'm posting motivational quotes just because of this reason. Read motivational quotes, read motivational books, be it 1 to 2 pages only. Start writing a journal, start writing your problems, start writing a diary, start your journals wherein you note down your problems, wherein you tell that, okay, this is going on in my head. I understand that most of us have been hit by COVID. Some of us have even lost our family members, and it is bad. The situation is bad. Some of you have suffered from COVID. You are recovering from COVID, or you are still COVID positive. I can really understand, but you are going to study as much as you can, right? You're going to work on your mental health. That is something that you're not going to give up. You're going to stay motivated. You're not going to lose your motivation at any cost. Don't worry when the exam will happen. Instead, study every day. We are going to study every day. We are not going to worry that when will it happen. We'll take 1.5 months. We'll create a schedule for 1.5 months. Depends on which stage you are. If you're on stage 1, that you've completed the syllabus, obviously, if you are on stage 1, you have not completed the syllabus, obviously your schedule would be like which topics are done and which are to be done. कौन से हो गए हैं, okay, tick. जौन से करने हैं उनके लिए आप schedule बनाओगे. If you don't know how to create a schedule, I have done a video. I'll leave the link in the description box. Number 2, if you are a person who has completed the syllabus, you're going to attempt mocks. You're going to attempt mocks, plus you're going to revising each and every topic from each and every subject, plus you're going to analyze mocks. And when you feel that, okay, this is the topic I'm weak at, you're going to cover the weak topic first, so that the situation can be you think that you're good at that topic, but actually you are weak. So start from zero, read the theory, solve the questions, solve MCQs, practice as much as you can, but please don't give up on your preparation. I know it is difficult, but take it as a chance. That God is giving you chances to study more and more. Please don't give up. Rest. What I mean by rest is that exercise. Make sure that you exercise for 1 hour at least. Don't do hardcore exercise, light exercises. You can do a dance, you can do your yoga or anything. If it is allowed, you can go out for walk. Yes, you should move out of your house. Do not sit inside the house. That is going to make you crazy, right? So please, guys, study 45 days more. Plan your 40 to 45 days well, and if you need any help from my side, tell me in the comment section below. I'm going to help you out for sure. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and do subscribe to the channel. Take care, you guys. All the best.